In regards to posh, let me give you certain examples where it would be considered as a, valid posh complaint, even if such kind of sexual harassment is in the form of स्पीच वर्बल, सिर्फ बातों में या इन केस ऑफ ईमेल्स या टेक्स्ट मैसेजेस में भी अगर है, स्टिल इट विल बी कंसिडर्ड एज अ वैलिड कंप्लेंट. सो यहाँ पे ज़रूरी नहीं है कि दैट पर्सन, aggrieved person, I use the word aggrieved person because somewhere I feel that the companies need to establish gender neutral policies as compared to what our POSH Act says. Right now our POSH Act is restraining itself to women, but I think it has to be a gender neutral policy. So whenever I am consulting other companies, I tell them that it is better to go for a gender neutral policy because these kind of complaints can happen vice versa. It can be man to man, it can be man to woman, it can be man to woman, it can be third gender as well, who have equal opportunities of being in corporates, having employment opportunities in India nowadays. तो ये दैट इज़ मतलब फ्रॉम ब्रॉडर परस्पेक्टिव, सो दैट आपको बार बार जाके अपना पॉलिसी चेंज ना करना पड़े. आई जनरली सजेस्ट माई कंपनीज टू हैव अ जेंडर न्यूट्रल पॉलिसी. सो एग्जाम्पल्स में लेट्स फर्स्ट लुक एट द वर्बल, व्हाट कैन बी द फॉर्म ऑफ अ वर्बल, व्हाट कैन बी कंसिडर्ड एज अ वर्बल सेक्शुअल हरासमेंट. सो इवन ईमेल्स और टेक्स्ट मैसेजेस रिक्वेस्टिंग सेक्शुअल फेवर्स, definitely a very big red flag here. Sexual or discriminatory comments, jokes, letter, phone calls, emails, text, WhatsApp messages और any other mode. ये मत बोलिएगा कि स्नैपचैट इंक्लूड नहीं किया है तो स्नैपचैट इंक्लूडेड नहीं रहेगा, ऐसा नहीं है. इवन दैट इज इंक्लूडेड इन एनी फॉर्म रिटर्न. यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, इट इज़ मोर ऑफ अ वर्बल फॉर्म. ठीक है. Then comes your verbal or physical conduct of sexual nature are made in return for a term or condition of instruction, employment, participation or evaluation of a person's engagement in any organizational activity. Something like, I will give you a promotion, let's meet at your place tonight and I will give you a promotion. क्या है ये? This is clearly an example of a sexual harassment. Sexual or discriminatory comments made during video meetings. सो ये डेफिनेटली इट वॉज मोर कॉमन इन द टाइम ऑफ पैंडमिक्स, जहाँ पे मीटिंग्स वेर ऑल ऑनलाइन, पीपल वेर एट होम. लेकिन ड्यूरिंग वीडियो मीटिंग्स ऑल्सो देयर वेर many instances, you will not believe, there were more complaints during pandemic as compared to post pandemic scenario, especially during the video meetings where such comments or such favors were being asked for. ठीक है. So that is clearly an example of verbal sexual harassment. Next is intrusive or private questions about a person's life, marital status या फिर any other orientation. So you are asking that person very personal questions. It can go under the ambit of sexual harassment. Cracking inappropriate jokes in conference call to lighten the mood. This is a very common example. किसी भी एक पर्सन को टारगेट करके यू आर बेसिकली क्रैकिंग इनअप्रोप्रिएट जोक्स. ठीक है. टू सम एक्सटेंट टू टू पैसिफाई, टू कीप अ लाइटर मूड. लोग पीपल डू हैव they have a casual discussion, but that doesn't mean you are targeting one person. And यहाँ पे the seriousness of the jokes is mainly to show him down to, or maybe it is going towards your sexual favors. Then definitely it is a good example of verbal sexual harassment. Commenting on a co-worker's appearance during video meetings, very common. I was part of organizations and I know it is pretty common to know, you are looking very nice today, or this is just a casual, but going beyond certain limits, maybe in private you are telling the person, I will not mention lady over here, I will mention person. आप प्राइवेट में जाके उस पर्सन को अलग से बता रहे हैं कि how nicely they are dressed or how nicely they are looking, या ऐसा कुछ करे तो जिससे और अलग दिखेंगे. All these things do happen in the organizations. Then comes your commenting unwanted requests for video calls at odd hours or on the pretext of an official meeting. So you may say that my day was very busy, sorry Sneha, can we meet around say 1 o'clock at night? Unless there is a very serious business which cannot wait till next morning, ideally I should not be disturbing my employee, okay, if I am the employer. or if I'm even if I'm a co-worker. Okay, there are already countries in countries like France. I have heard about France, wherein getting messages or getting phone calls post the office hours is not considered as sexual harassment, but it is considered as a complete no-no. It is not allowed. So, why can't we also have similar kind of work environment in India, जहाँ पे probably people are not harassed to take up calls or join meetings at odd hours, because everybody has his own personal space as well. Unsolicited and or inappropriate communications through any communication medium. So वो चाहे email से हो, चाहे phone call से हो, चाहे text messages से हो, WhatsApp messages हो, या even note. If you are sending a note to someone, I came across a case जहाँ पे the person who was in a leadership position was sending notes, written notes. इमेजिन, मतलब काफ़ी सीनियर पोजीशन पे थे, ही वॉज कॉट एंड ही वॉज थ्रोन आउट ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. क्या करेंगे? आई मीन इट वॉज अ रिटन एविडेंस अगेंस्ट हिम, एंड थैंकफुली ही हिमसेल्फ वॉज ऑल्सो वेरी ashamed of his doing, and he resigned. So the matter got closed pretty early as such. So these can all be the examples of verbal sexual harassment.